Free cola. Foosballs of the devil. What's up, everybody? I'm just coming back from that Wow Motorcycles Motovlog Meetup. That was pretty fun. A lot of people there. Motonosity, Do It With Dan, A Spin With Finn, Walterrific. I kind of wanted to record, but I didn't. I just took a few pictures. That's all I got. Nope. Okay, cool. But anyway, the few people that I got to see and meet, that was awesome. Nice to meet you guys in person. You get to see what my face looks like. And I definitely have to get out and ride with some of you guys eventually. I know it's getting cold, so I'm not going to be making as many videos. Because I don't really get out when it's cold. I don't have the gear for it, honestly. But it was cool to get out there and see all those bikes, man. It was crazy how many people turned out. There's some cool looking bikes too. Like, I think mine stands out from the average bike because of the paint job. I mean, it is just a Gixxer 600, but still, I think the paint makes it stand out. But when I bring it there, there's some that make mine look like a normie bike. It was really cool to see all the bikes, all the different kinds of bikes. I mean, every type of bike was there, man, from Groms to cruisers to, I mean, everything. It was awesome. Saw a couple Zeros. Alright, what are we doing? Well, the temperature got up to like almost 60 degrees or around 60 degrees, I think. What in the world? That dude's in like the Air Force combat uniform riding a bicycle down the road. Some people. When duty calls, I guess. But Dan's Warhorse was there that he built. That's pretty awesome, man. That looks cooler in person than I thought it would. I love that matte green on there. It looks so cool. There's a few people there who really didn't like get a chance to say hi to. I saw Ride with JT. He was busy talking to everybody, man. And every time I turn around, he'd be gone talking to someone else. Popular man. Yeah, he's a really cool guy. Saw a few other like familiar faces, but I don't really know everyone that well. But it's just cool to go hang out there. They had some nachos and whatnot. I didn't get any because I'm actually on my way to lunch right now. I'm kind of a hungry boy. The clocks were set back last night, so it's about to be 2 o'clock, but my body thinks it's 3 o'clock. So I'm kind of hungry. But yeah, unless I get more days like this where it's really nice and I can put on a jacket, then I probably won't be filming too much. But I know it's supposed to be raining like for the rest of this week, unfortunately, at least where I am. But I'm off at college this week anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. I kind of want to take the bike back, but there's just so many days where it's freezing outside. Although all last week was amazing riding weather where I go to college. The weather there was fantastic, and I wish I brought my bike, but I didn't. And this guy should probably back off me a little bit. There we go. That's better. I feel like some people don't mean to be rude or think about it. They just kind of get really close to you. Like, I can stop really fast. You and your large SUV can't. It's not okay to be right behind me. But I digress. I know some of my Instagram posts and videos have been slowing, so thanks for those. I continue to show love and support. Thanks, Ride with JT, for that shirt, man. I know you sent it and I got it. I just haven't been able to go get it yet. And thanks for the comments and likes and subscribes. I don't know how many subscribers I have. I think it's like 820 something. I don't know. But thanks, guys. I'm almost to 1,000, which to be honest, doesn't mean a whole lot because I can't monetize anyway. I just care about putting out good content for you guys that you enjoy, because this is just something fun for me to do. And I'm sure like that's what it seems like these big moto vloggers and stuff do. Like, they're not in it for the money. They could be making more money elsewhere, I'm sure, if they really wanted to, but this is just a passion, man. Motorcycles, two wheels, one love. So it's awesome to see you guys out riding and supporting me and supporting your other favorite moto vloggers. And it's cool to meet you in person. And if you haven't met me in person and you live around me, you should do that. You should come see me. You should come say hi. We should come ride bicycles together off to the sunset. Also, yes, my girlfriend is on the back of my bike, so I feel like my helmet's been aiming kind of far down because she kind of pushes me forward and makes me look down a little bit more. I don't know how that makes the camera look. Probably not great. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm trying to look up a little right now. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some food, and I will catch you guys next time. Always remember, ride a helmet while you're out riding, or else you could fall off and bump your noggin. Foosballs of the devil. Ricola.